Hey class, how are you? So, we are moving forward in the week and we are going to think about kind of what makes us tick. And we're going to think about brain hormones and how that relates to arousal and think about the the typical kind of four phases of sexual arousal per Masters and Johnson. Um, I like to learn all this stuff like in a super like technical way, and then I like to give you something that is also sort of fun or less technical, I guess you could say. So I try to mix it up. But if you've not seen Masters of Sex, I would definitely suggest checking out the trailer. I don't have Showtime, so I haven't watched it in a long time, but there was a time when I had it somehow. I'm not even sure how, but it's a great series. It's not totally fiction. It's based on Masters and Johnson, obviously, who are, if you don't know who Masters and Johnson are, you will read about Masters and Johnson and the four phases of sexual arousal. Very important researchers in human sexuality. And the docu-series or whatever it is really good too. But if you don't know much about Masters and Johnson, there are a lot, Alfred Kinsey and Masters and Johnson are kind of the pioneers in sex research. um, I'm sure you know sex research is one of the things that doesn't get funded very much, or maybe you don't know. You should know because we've probably talked about it, because we don't value that sort of research because we have a lot of stigma around our bodies and all of that stuff. So we'll poop on that. Masters and Johnson did some important research. There's much more to be done. If you want to grow up and be sex researchers, I support you 100%. Let me know. Let's work together. Help me contribute to my new book, blah, blah, blah. But anyways, you're going to also read about double standards, which, there are in sex and sexuality. So you're going to read about, do women need their own Viagra, and just the sexual double standard, right? Like, who gets to enjoy sex, who doesn't, those sorts of things. So that's your week. I hope you have a good week. I hope you get out and get some good sunshine on your skin and feel good. And I hope you enjoy this topic. Alrighty, take good care. Bye bye.